सपोज आपको पता हो कि आज शाम को 5 बजे छोड़ना है, ज्ञान सरोवर नहीं, आज शाम को 5 बजे छोड़ना है, 7 hours, क्या करना चाहेंगे? What would you like to do 7 hours before you leave? What would you like to do for 7 hours before you leave? 7 hours before you leave this costume. Because most people do not even get 7 seconds to know that they were going to leave. हमें 7 hours मिल रहे हैं. What would I do? बताइए ना, रियली सोचो, विजुअलाइज द सीन. 7 घंटे में जाना है. कुछ अच्छे कर्म कर लेंगे. कौन से वाले अच्छे कर्म करने 7 घंटे के अंदर? अच्छा, तो आस्क फॉर फॉरगिवनेस एंड फॉरगिव पीपल. वेरी गुड. आई विल बी वेरी नाइस टू एवरीबडी. एनीथिंग एल्स इन द लास्ट 7 hours बिफोर लिविंग? हाँ जी. अच्छा, सेटलिंग माई फाइनेंशियल अकाउंट्स ऑल्सो. कभी भी, इसीलिए वो जो उस दिन बाला भाई फर्स्ट डे कह रहे थे ना, EMI, कभी भी पैसों की भी लेन देन नहीं रखनी चाहिए. एक दिन सुबह आप निकले, 7 o'clock in the morning, road is empty, you took out your brand new car, you said I'm going to reach work early. Next turning, सामने से एक गाड़ी आई, टक्कर लगी, सुबह सुबह 2000 रुपए लेके चला गया. And then I sit back and I say, why did I have to leave at that time? And why did I have to take that road? Every time I go this way, what made me go this side today? ऐसे ही सुबह सुबह आके लेके चला गया. वो वही वाला 2000 है जो पिछली बार वापस नहीं किया था. They will come accurate with their karmic account. Nothing is happening unfair. इसीलिए हर एक के घर में वो इतना प्यारा चार्ट लगा होता है. जो हुआ अच्छा, जो हो रहा है अच्छा, और जो होने वाला है बहुत अच्छा. Which means everything that is happening in my life is absolutely accurate based on my karmic account. It's based on my karmic account. तो पैसों की लेन देन तो बिल्कुल नहीं रखने, लेकिन अब उस लेन देन को थोड़ा और ऊपर लेकर जाना है. ये और कोई लेन देन भी नहीं रखने. 7 hours. Anything else to do? दान दो. वेरी गुड. चैरिटी. जाते जाते क्यों देना है? Let's think there is a reason for everything. अब जाते जाते दान क्यों देना है? वेरी गुड. जाते जाते पुण्य कमाना है. अब ये जाते जाते पुण्य क्यों कमाना है? अब तो जाने ही वाले, अगले जन्म में काम आएगा. अच्छा, हमें पता सब कुछ है ना. सी यहाँ बैठ के सोचो तो we have all the answers, nothing new. Which means if I do a right karma, I accumulate blessings, and the blessings that I accumulate create a beautiful destiny, not only just today. Anything else to be done in 7 hours? हाँ, जाते वैसे एक बात ये भी सोची जाए, अब जाना ही है, अब क्यों उसको याद करना? इसे भगवान को याद कर लेना चाहिए जाने से पहले. जो लोग बैठे हुए पीछे, उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करें ना. 7 hours ही बचे हैं सिर्फ. हाँ जी, फैमिली टाइम भी करेंगे. हाँ. एनीथिंग एल्स? भगवान को क्यों याद करते हैं जाने से पहले? सी द रीजन बिहाइंड दैट. क्यों भगवान को याद करते हैं जाने से पहले? क्यों? Why should I connect and remember God? जिसको याद करेंगे उसकी वाइब्रेशन के साथ आपकी वाइब्रेशन कनेक्ट हो जाएगी. जिसको भी आप याद करेंगे सारा दिन में, It's like it's the website which you enter, all the data will get downloaded. So if I think of her, whatever is on her mind, I'm going to start receiving that vibration. If I think of her, I'm going to receive her vibrations. If I think of, then I'm going to receive those vibrations. इसीलिए हमें हर रिलीजन ने क्या सिखाया, सारा दिन भगवान को याद करते रहो. क्यों याद करते रहो? ताकि सारा दिन कौन सी वेबसाइट डाउनलोड होती जाएगी? Ocean of peace, ocean of love, ocean of power. याद करते रहो. Peaceful, powerful, loveful अपने आप बनते जाएंगे. Anything else remaining 7 hours? Say sorry तो हो गया. Anything else? Most of us prepare a will and we take care that when we leave, people who are left behind, everything is. So we take a lot of care for people who are going to be left behind, but we take very little care of what we are going to take with us on the journey. If you live your life every day as if it is your last 7 hours, life will be very beautiful. Live your every day as if I'm going to die any minute. So art of living is actually about art of dying. कभी भी जा सकते हैं. जैसे कुछ लोगों को बहुत ट्रैवल करना होता है तो उनका सूटकेस रेडी होता है. Always ready to leave. Everything packed, everything sorted. One call, सूटकेस उठाया, उड़ गए. Ready to leave. Similarly, my life has to be such. Every moment I am ready to leave. Because I will not get 7 hours to do all these things. मुझे नहीं मिलेंगे 7 hours to do all this. तो मुझे ये सारी चीज़ों को कब करना होगा? When do I do all this? When do I forgive? Ask for forgiveness? Spend family time? दान करो, पुण्य कमाओ. कब करना है? कब करना है? Every day. And अगर हमने ये every day कर दिया, हमारा every day कैसा हो जाएगा? But we live our life as if we are never going to die. And actually we should live our life as if I'm going to die now. That's the only difference. Because I believe I'm never going to die. I'm only accumulating, holding, not just physical but also here, accumulating. इतना resentment, hurt, past पकड़ के रखा है. एक second में soul will leave the body and I will carry all my resentment, hurt and past with me. And then go into my next life and then get a past life regression done. Why do people need to get a past life regression done? To clean all that which they did not clean last time. They've carried that baggage. Now that baggage is troubling them. And when that baggage troubles us, I say, why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to me? And so then somebody rewinds my CD and says, this is what you had done. That is why this is happening to you. And then I say, acha, this is what I had done. Chalo, then it's okay. Pain gone. But otherwise I kept thinking, she is troubling me, she is hurting me, she is cheating me, she's not been nice to me. And then my CD is rewound and somebody says, do you know what you did to her last time? And after I come to know what I did to her last time, I say, अच्छा, फिर इसके सामने तो वो जो कर रही हो कुछ भी नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, pain gone, finished. But we do not need to get a past life regression done. Do not play with nature. Nature means we were meant to forget our past. Because we should be living in our present moment. We are not to even remember the past of yesterday, leave alone remembering the past of. But live every moment with all your karmic accounts settled. Karmic accounts settled. No holding pain, hurt, resentment here. Everything settled. Counsel your mind, create the right karma, move forward.